screaming in unison.
All right, here we go. Let's do this one for peace and love. 1, 2, I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. No more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Come on, son. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. I look into your heart and you will find a love, 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 love. And listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God intended right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Scooch over closer here. Sing it. Well, I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backward just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our pain is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Alright, just the girls. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, Very nice, ladies. You hit the brown note. Alright, this time only the confident men. Every little thing is gonna be alright.